If you're thinking about launching or upgrading your partnership and affiliate program, then Everflow and Impact.com are probably two of the tools that you've come across. They're two of the biggest names in the space, and on the surface of things, they actually look quite similar. Both promise better tracking, cleaner reporting, and fewer spreadsheets. But after testing both platforms, I can tell you that they're both designed for slightly different audiences. So in this video, I'm going to go through the differences between the two softwares and the reasons I would pick one over the other and which one my favorite is overall. So let's dive straight in. So I thought I'd start with just a high-level overview of what the difference is between the two platforms. Both of them are affiliate and partnership tracking tools, which means that you can bring your affiliates in and you can track their performance across wherever they're doing their work. Now, both of them are designed to have multiple affiliates and multiple different types of partners. The difference, I think, really comes in the complexity. Everflow is quite easy to get set up and is definitely designed for slightly smaller teams, but who want to scale and have all that enterprise level complexity. Impact.com has quite a steep learning curve, and I think unless you've got a team that's already managing partnerships, then you might find that learning curve too steep. That said, if you do have that team already, then Impact.com is very powerful and it can track all these different types of affiliates all in one place. Plus it has that partnership marketplace, which means that you can find affiliates and publishers to work with on that platform. Everflow's partnership platform is only for publishers rather than affiliates as well. And I think for most growing businesses, that complexity is quite important because when you're just starting out, or if it's a new platform, or it's a new program that you want to just start launching, then you don't really want to have a huge complex learning curve when you're just starting out. And I think that's the main difference between the two tools. Now let's have a look at Everflow first. Now Everflow is designed for tracking affiliates, tracking influencers, and tracking B2B partners all in one place. You take any influencers you're working with and you bring them into Everflow so that you can create links, you can track their performance, you can see flowcharts about their performance, and it makes it really easy to create reports and see exactly which partners are performing best. It has a really clean and easy to use dashboard, which is very easy to customize. And you can track all of the normal things like links, coupons, QR code, even paid media all in one place. The reporting is really easy to get set up, but once you've set up your reports, you can get them to automatically get created so that you can see on a monthly or weekly basis, for example, which affiliates are performing best. And my favorite part about it is the visual flowchart, which shows you exactly how a sale has been made and where it's come from. And I think this is one thing that sets it apart from all of the other tools because that flowchart makes it really easy to track performance at a very granular level. It integrates with all of the main tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, all of those main ones. But the main differences between this and Impact.com is it doesn't have that discovery marketplace in exactly the same way. Everflow's marketplace is mainly for finding publishers, but there are big publishers on there like Lad Bible and big publishers like that. But it's not a place for finding influencers. Impact.com does have an influencer marketplace. Now, I don't really see this as too much of a downside. Most businesses that are working with companies like Everflow will already have a lot of influencers they're working with and they want to track them in one place. Plus, it's quite easy to find influencers from outside. So I don't think having that marketplace inside is necessarily that big of an advantage, but it's great to see that you can attract lots of these major publishers all from within the platform itself, which makes it easy to get your articles in front of lots of new people. Impact.com, on the other hand, is a very similar tool, but I feel it's much more designed for big, complex automations and teams that are very used to handling thousands of affiliates and partners all in one place. It does support affiliates, influencers, and referral partners, plus B2B partners as well. And I think it probably does have one of the strongest influencer marketplaces around. You know, if you are really just looking to find influencers, it is a very strong place to find them. And just like Everflow, it handles the tracking. It's got a great dashboard. You can do contracts through there. And it also handles payments, which means it's all done in one ecosystem. So once you're logged in, exactly like Everflow, you can do everything all from one place. So you don't have to be flicking between different spreadsheets and different tools. In my opinion, the dashboard is slightly less customizable and it's a bit trickier to get everything all in one place. With Everflow, you could easily put your main reports onto the main dashboard so that you can see exactly which affiliates are working best, or you can track by geography. With Impact you can do this, but it was a bit more complex to get the right level of detail into my reports. The onboarding itself is guided, but there's a lot of settings that you need to set up. With Everflow it's kind of a bit more easy and step by step to do. With Impact there are lots of things I needed to set up whilst I was going through the sign-on process. And I think unless you've got a partnership team already working, you might find this overwhelming. It might put you off running your affiliate team at all. Now, when it comes down to the tracking and reporting, both tools have very good tracking and reporting. You can do granular level performance-based reporting, so you can see different types of affiliates, different geographies. You can filter by brands, so if you're an agency, you can do different types of brands on there. or you can filter by different types of products. But with Everflow, you get the flowchart reporting, which for me is one of the best reporting tools out there. You can see exactly where a sale came from and the exact path that a customer used to get there. The reports on Everflow are very easy to get set up and very quick, and there's a lot of preset tools in there so that you can automatically create reports. With impact.com, creating out the reports was a bit more complex, but they were a bit more granular as well. So if you wanted to go to a lot of detail, then maybe the impact reports would show you that slight more detail. However, in terms of the marginal gain there, it wasn't really worth it for me for the complexity of getting them set up. And there was a huge amount of settings which I needed to select, which made it quite confusing to get set up the right reports that I wanted. When it came down to managing the partners themselves, both tools do a good job at helping you to manage all of the different partners. You can create automations on both tools to manage things like automatic payouts or automatic acceptance into the programs. And it was easy to choose the high-level KPIs that you wanted to report on. With Everflow, the reports were nice and easy to read. They were easy to automatically get created, and you've got very powerful features so that you can feature on a granular level by things like who the manager is, what the geography is, where the sale's coming from, which means that you can track the performance of all of your affiliates very easily. Now at impact.com, you can also track the performance of your affiliates, but it was a bit more difficult to see the high-level performance trends. You had to go into a much more granular level within the details itself, so that you had to go into a report to see, okay, this affiliate is performing well, but when it came to comparing them between different other affiliates or comparing different geographies, for example, that comparison was a bit harder to make, which meant that impacts.com's reports were slightly more confusing, whereas Everflow's were a bit more easier to understand and to get set up. That said, both of the reports are really good, and if you do need very detailed reports, so you've got something quite customized that you need, then impact.com probably has slightly more flexibility here, but again, you've got the downside of them being slightly more complex to get set up. Now, when it comes to pricing, neither of the tools publish their prices. The pricing is done on a business by business level, which means you have to contact them to get the pricing. That said, they all have pricing that scales with you. So you can start and then it scales as your business grows. This means you're not necessarily spending out until you're actually making those affiliate sales, which is a great thing, obviously, because it means you're not just having costs, you're actually using the marketing to bring income in. If you are literally just starting out as a brand new program, then possibly these two tools are overkill because these are quite complex tools. They have lots of functionality. They are really designed for people that want to scale. Everflow especially is designed for teams which I think are starting out or are small or even one-man teams. Impacts is much more for enterprise level. But if you are literally just wanting to create tracking links and for affiliates to use them, then these two tools might be overkill. That said, if you are newer and you are looking to scale and you're serious about running affiliate programs, then Everflow is going to be a great option for you. And that's essentially my conclusion. Everflow and Impact are both really great tools, but they're built for slightly different realities. I think Impact.com's tool is much more designed for people that have already got a big team in place that can run the affiliate programs for them. Everflow also has that same level of functionality and the ability to scale with you, but for newer teams, it's much more simple to get set up. And even for bigger teams, I think the simplicity of Everflow does beat the complexity of Impact, because a lot of the complexity you don't really need. And who needs more complexity when you don't really need it? I hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Teddy, and if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the Digital Merchant YouTube channel and like this video, and leave a comment below about which your favourite tool is. And I'll see you in the next video.